I've come over feeling a bit nauseous, so I'm heading back. Yeah, I don't feel well at all. I think it's a combination of being on the water after we had a few drinks last night. Yes, I wasn't feeling well. I've got back to shore. There's a nice lolly wagon, ice cream van over there. So I've had one. I've had one of those calipo fruity ones. I don't know, I just felt the need for something fruity. Got the kettle on, gonna have a cuppa. I think I just need some fluids in me. Look how busy it is down there. And in amongst that throng, well, you might be able to see the red boat just coming in behind the fishing cobble. In front of the fishing cobble, sorry. And that's Raph coming in. Dave's just in front of him. I think Steve, I'm sure I can see him paddling out there somewhere. But yeah, the boys are back. I'd give them a hand, but I don't want to. No, I've got everything set up here for a tea and everything, so at least I can make them a drink when they get back. How do?
How you feeling?
All right, actually.
Better.
I needed some fluids.
Yeah. How was your shoulder?
Shoulder's not so bad. I only got one little twinge while I was out. Oh yeah, because you pumped.
He set off to come back because he needed to go, and then realised his car keys are in here.
I went back and said, if I can't go, I've got my car keys in your car. Anyway, we went to see the lighthouse.
Did you? Did you get that far?
Yeah, we went to the lighthouse.
I'm feeling a bit better, so I'm going back out. I've inflated the pack raft. Yeehaw! Back out! Let's go have a bit of fun with the boys. I can see where they are. Oh God, I'm feeling so much better. I think I just really needed some fluids. Wearing that neoprene wetsuit today was a bit of a mistake, I think, because I was dehydrated after the alcohol. Then I was sweating like a beast with the wetsuit on. Yeah, not good. But I'm all right now. I've had a nice lolly, cup of tea. I've got another cup of tea with me now. Feeling a lot better. Woohoo! Now, I wouldn't say I'm lazy.
I would.
And I wouldn't say that I take advantage of certain situations as they arise. But yeah, I do. It's horrible, isn't it? Rubbish.
Whose idea it was to come here, but
No, it's a bad idea.
never listen to him again.
I didn't expect it to be this busy. Is it me or is this water on an angle? It looks like the water's on an angle because of the strata in the cliffs. It's really weird. It feels like you're rolling downhill. It really does feel like it feels like we're going downhill. It's the weirdest feeling. It feels like we're going downhill. Yeah. That's the first time I've experienced it. Yeah. That's the first time I actually experienced it. Yeah, quite possibly. Yeah. That is really weird. I really do feel like we've just come downhill. I thought I might be able to see Filey down there, down the coastline there, but it's still a bit sea fretty. Yeah, no sign. No way. He's not taking that boat in there. Bloody hell he is. He's taking that boat into the cave. I didn't expect to see that today either. I didn't expect to see that, did you? Way up.
This vehicle?
Yeah. Woot, woot. This vehicle is reversing. Woot, woot. The boys want to go and play in those breakers over there. I don't think we'll get much joy, to be honest with you, because it's shallow. That's why the water's breaking over them. But we can go and have a look. Somebody dive in there. Just got to watch out underneath the water here. Make sure we don't get anything too shallow. This Packraft's only got a small skeg in it anyway. Woohoo! Gonna ride it in a little bit.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, it's a bit shallow, isn't it?
Yeah. I was a bit hesitant, but then it's like, yeah. And when it started coming sideways, did you see it when it started coming sideways?
Yeah, it's just because it's bouncing off the walls, getting backwash. There we go.
Why is it going sideways? Why did 1 minute it goes that way, next minute it goes this?
It's backwash.
No, if it was going out, I'd understand that.
No, it's backwash off the rocks.
No, if it was going out, I'd understand it. But it's not going in.
Got a few mad heads here. Here you go, look. 0 out of 10 for performance, 10 out of 10 for commitment. Ultimately, there was too much splash, wasn't there? Too much splash.
No style, was it?
No style, yeah. Let's see another one gonna go. Let's see how many points he gets. Oh,
A little bit, but a little bit.
oh, a little bit better. At least he tried to make it look dramatic. Dave gives him a 3. We're just going to go and have a look. Raf's pottering in this little cave here. Can you see the big sheets underneath of slabs of rock underneath the boat as I pass over them? Oh, there's a big, need to go around here. Can we go through? Raf's going through. There's a bit of a swell in there. I don't know whether the stabilisation on this camera will allow it to kind of pick up. Can you get through? Too fat. If he's too fat, I'm too fat. Quite a nice view from in here though, out there, isn't it? Look at that. There's a load of paddle boarders over there to the left. Woot, woot. This kayak is reversing. Woot, woot. Watch your head, yeah, you're alright, you're safe. Has Dave got through?
Yes, come here.
I'll do your victory twirl. We got through.
Because my look one's knocked the thing on the head. Yeah, the rush wins again.
Oh, he's just gone in. We've got some jumpers again. Marks out of 10. Oh, 0 out of 10 for panache. 10 out of 10 for commitment. This one's in fancy dress. He's come as a ninja. Oh, that was good style. He tried to go in clean. Give him a 6. One more. Looks a little bit apprehensive. I think he's worried about he might lose his crocs. Here he goes. Oh, that was a nice clean one. Throws you about all over you. Well, caught the skeg then.
I just got the breaker. Just as it broke over the top.
It throws you about in that bit. Yeah. Way.
Do I do it? Do I do it? What do I do? Do I do it?
The action's like a spot. Gotta get out of
Hey. The fun you can have with a bowl you find in a cove. Yeah. Got to be careful here because I'm back in the wavy bit. Where's the ball gone? There it is. Just nose it out. I'm pretending I'm a seal. Are you collecting bodies? Bloody hell.
Oh, go on, big lad. Get in there.
If I'd have been in that, I'd have been over, I think. I just clocked it out the corner of my eye. I thought, ooh, hell's tits. See what, these cliffs certainly attract a lot of jumpers. There's one about to go there by the look of it. When he's plucked up the courage. Go on, get on with it. My battery's running out.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's got the willies. No, don't peer pressure him. Chicken! Willie got past him by the time he bloody plucks up the courage. Yay! At last. And he's all right. Where are you off? Been admiring that lass on the paddleboard. She's got really good balance. She's been paddling like that for ages. Do you think you can get all the way through? God knows where he's going. That beach is busy. And have fun getting the boats up. Such a weird feeling here. Such a weird feeling. If the horizon leveling is doing its stuff, the water will be level, but it looks like it's going uphill because of the angle of the rocks into the water. Really weird. I don't know whether the camera will grab that. Hard life.
We are going away from the beach.
Yeah, that's because tide's going out. Does it feel like you're swimming uphill? It's weird, isn't it? Because of the rocks. It's like swimming uphill. It feels to us like we're flowing downhill. Messes with your head. Look at that, he's got bloody sandwiches with him.
Got some jam on it. Stick of jam.
Stick of jam.
Why have you got a stick of jam?
Why have you got a stick of jam?
Because I've got
The only answer to that is Dave. It's the only answer. Dave.
What?
Dave is the answer.
Dave.
Why have you got a stick of jam? Dave.
Hey, you twat mate.
Oh! Right on the bloody nose! Bit cold, isn't it?
Lovely. It's alright in some spots. You get like a warm spot.
Yeah, yeah.
No one's there, so it's not pee. I was going to say no one's there, so it's not pee.
Do you want to tow him back?
Is it the bull like it does at Greenfield?
No, you're alright. We're enjoying this one.
Good, good.
If we get stuck, I'll give you a whistle, then you'll have to come and rescue
Do
us.
you want to borrow me whistle?
Yeah.
Can't do it.
Can't get enough lift on it, can you?
Get it really?
Yeah. Can't get enough lift on it. Do you think we should take it to shore? Because it might be somebody that's drifted out. I found the owners of the ball. I had a funny feeling that if I picked it up, somebody would shout me.
No, I can't get it.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right. Bedlam, innit? Bedlam. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing, blah, blah, blah. I don't know whether there'll be anything else after this. I guess it depends what happens next.